Hi, my name is Beatrice Iwa.
Kwame Ajem.
Okay, so how is your timetable like? Is it so tedious?
Yeah, actually it is. Judging from how the teachers themselves, they've made their timetable, the time duration is very long and we barely have time for break.
Okay, so if there's a snack stand around the blocks, would it be helpful to you?
Yeah, actually it will. Yeah, it would, because I wouldn't have to bother myself walking all the way to the plaza, and always I'll have my juice around.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Eugenia Sewa, and we are embarking on a project in Central University, and I wanted to know your opinion.
Okay.
About the distance from the blocks to the cafeteria.
It's very far, and then when you want to get food or snacks, you have to walk a long distance. That doesn't make you favorable. So you'd rather have to sit in the class rather than to go and get snacks, and you end up being hungry and famished. So it's not really a good thing.
Okay, so how would you feel about the snack stand or snack bar being around?
Oh, it would be a great idea. We would all love that, and trust me, students would really patronize it.
Thank you very much.
I'm Sadiq and you are?
I'm Matthew.
Okay, Matthew, I just have a few questions to ask you. So, how do you feel about walking all the way from the blocks to the cafeteria to get food anytime you are on a short break?
Well, a bit stressful, I'll say. A bit stressful.
So, my group and I, we've realized that and we've decided to develop a snack stand which is near the blocks. So you wouldn't have to walk all the way from the blocks to the cafeteria all the time. So how do you think about that?
Well, I think it's a good initiative for people with short breaks. So I think it will help the students. It's a good start.
Thank you very much for your time.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Abimenta, and I'm here to present our project Snackville. Have you ever thought of the stress and the burden one goes to just go and get snack from the cafeteria?
Don't take this one. What did you just do? Guys, deleted it, I'm sure.
Use people just to help reduce the stress people go to. At Snackville, you will get a lot of products. Just to mention few, you get sobolo, you get ice cream, you get meat pie, and even you get water at a cheaper rate.
Hi, my name is Josephine Afo, and I'm here to talk about why Snackville and what we offer. Thank you. So, why Snackville? Upon our research, we identified that most of the students' body's population, about 80%, are in the schools of pharmacy, law, business, and physician assistantship. So, our main target is to get about 80% of these people in our product service. So, we identified the main problem was that most of these students have their lectures starting from as early as 7 a.m. to as late as 6 p.m. with people at the risk of skipping their breakfast, which is the most important meal of the day, which is linked to higher concentration levels, high alertness, and high focus in class. Exactly. So, we identified the problem. So the Roman poet Joe coined the famous phrase when he wrote "Orando est Esti mensana in corpore sano, which means a healthy mind in a healthy body. And this is what we believe at Snacksville, that we need a healthy mind to study and a healthy body. Yes. Am I doing this right? And as our slogan says, have a treat. And we believe that our minds deserve that treat as well. So here at Snacksville, we offer our services, including pastries, example, meat pie, and so many more, and the provisions of breakfast like beverages from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Thank you.
I'm Karen Maraudago, and I'm here to continue from where my colleague left. And the vision and mission of Snackville is to provide breakfast and snacks to people on campuses so that it cuts off the distance they go through to the cafeteria and back to the block. So our vision here is we have a vision of being the best sought after snack shop on Central University campus. That's to serve up to 80% of the campus population. And the mission is to deliver fast and reliable service to students. We have the vision of providing students with fast foods or refreshments. And our target of customers are from ages 15 to 17, 18 to 30, 31 to 50, and 50 plus. Then our gender is all genders. Then we have our principal of 10,160 Ghana cedis. And the type of customers that target are lecturers, students, non-teaching staffs, and visitors who come to the school. And our target is the Central University campus and its surroundings.
Okay, I'm Jeremy Ankra, and I'm here to talk about the total expenses we intend on starting up this business. Okay, so this amount, 10,000 Ghana cedis, 10.1 thousand Ghana cedis, was presented before a group of loan givers who give out loans to small-scale businesses on the rise. Okay, so our profit forecast here, at the end of the month, we're expected to make 2,527 cedis, 60 pesos. And this is a table displaying all our items to be sold and the profit we make from each item. Yes, so this is our chart. It talks about our forecast, our profit forecast at the end of the 12 months. So in the first month, we're to make 2,527 cedis, but some errors and faults might come along the way. So we're expected to make averagely 30,000 Ghana cedis at the end of the 12 months, and that's 1 year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Efwa Itiabia, and I'm here to talk about the strengths and weaknesses of our business idea. As compared to our competitors, we offer reliable services and less costly products. And for our strengths, we have good communication skills. We offer delivery services, and we have our own bakery, assuring you of less contaminated products. And for our weaknesses, we have competition with other existing business on campus. And for our current or future opportunities, we have the idea of expanding our business beyond Central University and other schools. For our current or future threats, we thought of an unexpected fire outbreak to our workstation and closure by our school authorities due to a disease outbreak, such as COVID-19. Thank you.
My name is Asawo Trudy, and I'm here to talk about how we intend to promote our businesses.
And as a group, we identify our problem in a university setting, meaning most of the university students will be found on most social medias like Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat. So we intend to send our advertisement to most social media platforms. Okay, so our advertisements are made on our Instagram page to reach a large number of audience on campus. And advertisements were also made on the various departments of the WhatsApp platforms. Thank you.